Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I wanted to share with you my Shadowbox mini album, and this is not my idea. I saw it on one of the Facebook pages. There were no instructions, and I asked if there was a video and I never got a response. So I thought, well, let me try to figure it out. So I did figure it out, at least in my own way. So this is what I came up with. So this is, of course, the top view, and let me show you the front. So sorry for the glare, but this is the front of my shadow box. So I used the Recollections Silent Night. I think that one was from last year. Anyway, so that is what I used for the shadow box. And everything is from the collection except the little pot. That I have a die, so I used my die for the little pot. The poinsettia, I cut out a few with different sizes and I put it together, and everything else is Recollections, except of course the glitter paper on the back. Everything else that was actually given to me a couple of years ago, so I only use it as backgrounds because it is so chunky. I can't really cut anything with it. But that is the front. Hope the glare isn't too bad. Okay, and here is one of the sides, and this is a die that I have in my stash. I want to say it's a Helena die from Ali. And here is the other side of the shadow box, the back side. So I didn't do a whole lot to the back side. And this is the other side. And then the bottom, I did go ahead and finish the bottom. And these are the feet that I used. Those come from Ali as well. And this is the top. So it will hold 11 of the picture mats, which are double-sided. You can put a picture on either side of the picture mat. And the little bows come from, let me pull one of these out, any of them. So this is the picture mat. It holds a 4x6, and I did put paper on both sides. And then the little bows came from one of the border strips, and I just cut out all the little bows, and I was short one bow. So this last bow came from one of the pages, and I just cut it down a little bit to go along with this size. So yeah, it was a lot of fun to make. I need to make one for a wedding, and I didn't want to make just a regular mini album. I wanted something totally different, and when I saw this, I thought this is it. So I am going to make another one, and I'm going to make a tutorial, so that way if you want to make one, you are absolutely welcome to do so. I don't think I broke any rules or anything like that, because I never did get a response. It did not say that I could not make one. It is a group for inspiration, so this was the inspiration I got. And yeah, this is my newest mini album. There we go, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.